Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to cook the squid. This is the main ingredients, the squid. Look at the squid, guys. Look, I have here 1/4 kilo of squid. I have the red pepper, onions and garlic, and of course the soy sauce. So let's cook now. Guys, so we need to slice. I need to slice the salmon. A little bit only, not much. Not much. Now the garlic. Let's put the garlic. Now the onion. That makes it sure you mix it properly. Now the squid. I do it one by one because that just put it properly. That okay. And then mix this one. Mix it. That. Let's check, guys. Let's check. See, maybe later. It's not yet well done. I need well done cook. Now I need to add soy sauce. A little bit of soy sauce, guys. Just a little bit of soy sauce. Now let's add the pepper, the red pepper, and mix it. Mix. So let's test this one first. If it's okay, I don't need to add more seasoning because it's already tasty. Because I marinate this one for about 1 hour. So that's why I don't need. I put only the soy sauce, my favorite soy sauce. So let's cover this one. For about 5 minutes. Then it's ready. So let's check, guys. Look. This I see the smell. Wow, looks lovely. You know, guys, this squid is already frozen. It's not really fresh. It's frozen. I bought this one frozen. There's no more fresh squid here in my area. There's no more fresh squid. Let's check the test. Nice. That's it. It's ready to serve you. Ready. Now let's check, guys, if it's one. If it's nice test or no. Let's taste it. So now it's easy and simple. This is my own way of cooking the squid. So now let's taste, guys. Let's taste if everything is okay. Let's taste. I'm cooking this one for about not long. That's it, guys. That's it. Nice. It's good. This one with rice, and rice and look at the soup. Look at the taste inside, and you can feel it. It's really soft, really soft. It's good. This one I pair this one with rice. Let's eat. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm still cooking for that. I have here the salmon. I will fry this one with a little bit of oil, only a little bit of oil. It, guys, ready to serve you. So now I separate this one with a bowl. This one I will separate this one with a glass of bowl. So it's nice day. Have a nice day, everyone, guys. It's lovely day. So now I separate this one. Put this one in here in my bowl. This is plastic bowl. Bought this one from Aldi, and they have a plastic lids, but this is glass, so it's better. It's chemical free. So I just put in here. Just a second, guys. Put in here. Ready for dinner. Yeah, it's not much because it is only how much here? This is only 1/4. Look at that. Yes, like that. And then yes, this one ready to serve. So later on I will put like this, then I will put that one in the fridge. Guys, so we need to slice. I need to slice this salmon. I need ako ni siyang kuan with less oil, fry with less oil so that it's more healthier. And yeah, then after I will marinate this one first. We'll slice this one like that, not like that. Like this. So yeah, like that. So first I need to put this one here first. That, then wash first. That. Then later on I will drain. We'll drain this one first so that the water will. Sorry, my camera is. So now let's start to marinate the salmon. Then later on I will fry this one with a little bit of oil, not no oil but a little bit. Then I put some this one. This is my favorite seasoning, and we need to put a little bit of soy sauce. Just a little bit of soy sauce, and a little bit of garlic powder. Yeah, just spread it out, and a little bit of vinegar. This is a pure vinegar. Yeah, like that. Then make it like this, like that, to make the seasoning absorb everything. Just leave it for almost like 1 hour or more, or that's up to you, or maybe you can leave it out for until tomorrow. I don't put any I don't put any salt because the soy sauce is already salty, so that's why. So like that, just make it sure it's absorbed. That. Yeah, this is boneless salmon, 600 grams, like that. Yeah, see? So then later on, fried. So now let's turn around. Okay, see? So we don't need much oil. It's better the salmon grill, but I don't have a grill here, so this one is more easier for me. That. There. just cook. I will cook it properly. Well done. Let's check, guys. It's not yet. It's not yet ready. Later on. So I turn around like that so that it gives here more. As you can see how oily the salmon is. This is her natural oil of the salmon. As you can see the oil here from here. But that is the natural oil of the salmon. Look, it's so oily, so we don't need to put oil. Now it's ready, guys. It's already cooked. Look at the salmon. It's already cooked. Yeah, and this one. Let's careful. Let's just put in here. Yeah. And look at. This is the natural oil. This one. This is all the oil of salmon. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, okay, that's fine. It's fine. Yeah, now it's ready. Now it's ready, guys. It's already cooked. Look at the salmon. It's already cooked. Yeah, and this one. Let's careful. Let's just put in here. Yeah. And look at. This is the natural oil. This one. This is all the oil of salmon. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Okay. That's fine. It's fine. Yeah, now it's ready.